Mabo Harusame is a Japanese home-style dish inspired by the Chinese Mapo Tofu. Instead of tofu, clear glass noodles are served in a mildly spicy Japanese Mabo-style sauce with ground pork and garlic chives. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Finely chop fresh garlic and ginger root. Cut the garlic chives into half-inch pieces. Mix the potato starch with water and set aside. In a wok, heat oil at medium heat and saute the garlic and ginger. Add the ground pork and cook for a few minutes until browned. Add the chili paste and cook for additional minute. Adjust the amount to make it more or less spicy. Meanwhile, cook the harusame, Japanese glass noodles, in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes and strain well. Now add water and the seasoning to the wok: sugar, salt, sake, and soy sauce. Turn the heat down to medium-low and let it simmer for a while. Add the harusame noodles and garlic chives. Add the potato starch mixed with water and stir well until thickened. Add the sesame oil at the end. And serve immediately. Mabo Harusame complements steamed white rice and has become a beloved everyday dinner dish in Japan. It's easy, delicious, and satisfying. Hope you try it soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。